Now, the third Amrit Snan will be held on 3rd February 2025, which is a day considered highly auspicious, spiritually and religiously significant. So the UP government this time looking at what unfolded on January 29, making more elaborate arrangements for the event. Many have, while appreciated that there have been changes that have happened in the past few days, but the investigation also continues in the Stampede case on what exactly happened on January 29. Prayagraj is hosting the Amrit Snan on February 3rd, coinciding with Basant Panchami as part of the ongoing Mahakumbh Mela 2025. Uttar Pradesh government has arranged for a smooth experience for millions of devotees attending the event. Hundreds of devotees with children and the elderly sat, slept and waited for relatives who took the holy dip ahead of Basant Panchami's Amrit Snan.
Either side there are hundreds, literally hundreds of devotees after having taken a bath or a holy dip at the Sangam. They are sitting here or resting and relaxing here because they've been tired. They've walked very long hours. आपका स्नान हो गया?
हाँ हो गया भैया।
कैसा रहा स्नान?
बहुत अच्छा रहा।
स्नान ठीक था?
हाँ बहुत अच्छा।
लेकिन आप थकी लग
थकी हाँ थक गया।
So you guys are waiting out here for long, I am seeing. Have you got the darshan or waiting for the darshan?
We are waiting for the darshan.
Okay. So police is announcing that the doors have been closed. So will you wait till evening or what's your plan?
We don't know. I guess we will go inside and have the darshan as soon as possible.
सारे पहलुओं पे हम लोग जांच करा रहे हैं। ये भी एक एंगल आया कि संगम नोज पे ये मौनी अमावस्या वाले दिन जिस दिन घटना हुई उस दिन ये इस तरीके की सिचुएशन हो सकती है और कई हम लोग के पास ऐसे इनपुट्स हैं, इस पे हम जांच करा रहे हैं और जो भी जांच में चीजें आएगी अग्रिम कार्रवाई कराई जाएगी।
Meanwhile, investigation continues in the Mahakumbh Stampede case. The police are now probing the angle of a conspiracy. Data from over 16,000 cell phones have been analyzed for a potential clue. Facial recognition application has been used to identify possible suspects. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Saturday visited the Mahakumbh for the first time since the stampede on January 29 and met the injured devotees seeking treatment in hospital. He also praised the Akhada sadhus for acting with restraint.
कुछ पुण्यात्मा उस एक हादसे के शिकार हो गए थे, लेकिन उन स्थितियों में एक अभिभावक के रूप में जैसे परिवार के ऊपर कोई विपत्ति आती है तो परिवार का अभिभावक धैर्य नहीं खोता, पूरी हिम्मत के साथ खड़े होकर के उस चुनौती का सामना करते हुए उससे उभारने का कार्य करता है।
Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav launched a scathing attack on the BJP, accusing them of mishandling the situation.
सोचिए, जिस कुंभ में जाने चली गई हों, लाशों की गिनती नहीं बताई जा रही हो, जो खो गए उनके बारे में न बताया जा रहा हो, तो बजट ये महत्वपूर्ण हो जिस कुंभ के लिए न जाने कितना बजट खर्च किया गया होगा।
After the stampede in Prayagraj, several elderly have been separated from their loved ones. They are seeking some information at multiple lost and found centers at the Mahakumbh grounds. In some instances, women do not even remember their phone number or the address. Locating their loved ones is a huge challenge.
The Lost and Found Center here at Prayagraj. Since the 29th Mauni Amavasya stampede, there are several people who are missing, and especially the elderly who've been separated from their loved ones. Those who seek them, they go to these centers, register their names. The moment there's a match, the centralized system then helps them locate their loved ones. With cameraman Kripal Singh in Prayagraj, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.
So the next 24 hours will be very crucial, especially this time with the Amrit Snan set to take place.